What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my 29th dividend payment with Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. And today is quite interesting because today is the day before the ex-dividend date, and I actually grabbed some more shares recently so that my next payment with Prospect Capital will be bigger than what I'm about to show you right now. But listen, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, first things first, as you can see at the top right of the screen, today's date is June 26th. And at the bottom of the screen, you can also see today's date is June 26th. It's actually 2 days after my 45th birthday. So happy belated birthday to me. I am now 45. Okay, so right here, you can see my portfolio is valued at $245,000. This is live. This is right now. Just to kind of give you guys a snapshot of what has taken place in my portfolio today. You can see here the market basically opened. Let's see, there was pre-market, and then so you can see my portfolio was up 257,000, not up 257,000, but up $12,000. And then as you can see here, my portfolio was down $1,600, and now currently it's valued at $244,000 as of the making of this video. Okay, overall, my overall on Robinhood since I've started investing again back in 2020, I have invested $260,250, and you can see I am currently down, just to give you guys a snapshot. Okay, now we're going to show you my most recent dividend payment with Prospect Capital. So as you can see, this is live, and of course this is after hours. Prospect Capital is trading for $6.22. And today is kind of important because, like I said, it's the ex-dividend date tomorrow. And just to kind of give you guys a heads up on how to make sure you're going to get a dividend payment. So as you can see right here, what you can do is you can just type in the ticker symbol and type in ex-dividend day. So you can Google the ticker symbol for whatever stock you're interested in and ex-dividend day after that. And as you can see here, the ex-dividend day is June 27th, which is actually tomorrow. So in order for me to get this next dividend payment, I need to purchase shares before June 27th, which once again is tomorrow. Today is June 26th. And so as you can see here, I'm going to actually get this payment in July. I'm going to get the payment on July 20th, and I'll show you guys, of course, another video at that time showing you my payment. But right now, we're going to talk about the most recent dividend payment that I got, where I can show you guys right here. As you can see, on June 21st, I got a dividend payment for $165.59. At the time, I had 2,759 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share. All right. So once again, that's 2,759 shares. Now, I currently have, as you can see here, I have 4,786 shares. If I do the math on that, 4,000, let's do a screen recording here just to show you guys, give you guys a heads up, just to show you guys my calculator here. Give me a second. Let me start the screen recording on my phone so that you guys can see this. Okay, so I have a screen recording going right now, and as you can see, I'm going to do the 4,786 times 6 cents per share. My dividend payment is going to be in July, $287.16. Just to kind of show you guys, once again, my most recent dividend payment was $165.59, and they're paying 6 cents per share. But because I own on today, which is June the 26th, the ex-dividend day is tomorrow, but you have to own the shares the day before or days before the actual ex-dividend day. So because I currently own 4,786 shares, my next dividend payment, which will be in July, on July 20th, is going to be $287. This is once again my 29th dividend payment with Prospect Capital. Overall, I am still down. My total return here, you guys can see, is negative $303, which is negative 1.01%. My average cost per share is $6.28. Now, initially, I didn't have invested this much money with Prospect Capital. I am using margin investing to bring my average costs lower and lower. Okay, so if I scroll down here, you guys can see that I right here, you can see that I grabbed some shares because it says Prospect Capital Limit Buy. I grabbed 2,000 shares and it was at $6.15. Okay, so that's 2,000 shares at $6.15. And the reason why I did that is because my average cost is $6 and change, right? It was $6. It's $6.28 now, but at the time it was a little bit higher than that, right? So I purchased some shares here. Now, if I was to sell this, and if I were to sell $2,000 or 2,000 shares, okay, and so we have 15 plus 7, right? So 2,000 shares times 7 cents. If I were to sell right now in this moment, I would profit. Well, maybe not profit, but it would be $140 difference that I would be supposedly in the green. Now, this is margin money that I'm borrowing here, so I would have to calculate how much I will be paying in interest from June the 22nd to today, which is June the 26th. But I'm not going to sell because, once again, today is the day before the ex-dividend date, and my next dividend payment is going to be more. This is really exciting just because there's so many different ways you can make money in the stock market, and I talk about it quite a bit. What I do like about Prospect Capital right here, looking at their ex-dividend days, is that they have the next couple of months. Actually, they had this, I think, starting in April. They had like May, June, July, and August. So they have the ex-dividend dates here. Normally, you don't see this that often where you can see the ex-dividend date all the way. Actually, you can see right here, the declaration date was May the 5th. So they released that they were going to have the ex-dividend day for June, July, and August, which is pretty freaking exciting because you can kind of plan ahead and decide if you want to, depending on where the stock is, if you want to grab some shares to receive that dividend payment. And I'm not going to lie, as a new investor getting started, if you simply purchase shares before this date, like for example, July the 26th. So if you purchase shares on July the 25th or any time before July 26th, you will get the next dividend payment, which will be in August, right here, August 22nd. All right. It's pretty cool. And I like investing. Obviously, there's, like I said, different ways to make money. And the more you kind of spend time investing in the stock market, the more you learn and understand more of how it works. After you watch your money go up and down and your emotions go up and down, after a while, you won't have the same emotions that you had in the beginning. At least that's been my experience. All right. Listen, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, smash the thumbs up in this video. It helps tremendously. All right. That's going to be it. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.